Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm super excited to be sharing Eid gift ideas with you guys. I'll be sharing gift ideas for babies, for young children, for older children, for women and men. You guys really enjoy my gift idea videos, especially my Eid DIY gift baskets that I did a couple years ago. So I definitely wanted to film another video like this for you guys. If you guys haven't checked out that video, make sure you check it out. I'll have it linked up here and also down below. That video also has really great ideas for Eid presents. So if you guys are looking for Eid gift ideas and you want to know what I got for my family this year, then make sure to keep on watching. Now before we jump into the video, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Alright you guys, we're starting with the youngest in the family. I have clothes for the babies. Starting with my nephew, I have 2 sets of clothes for him. I got him a pack of shirts as well as a pack of pants. You can never go wrong with these. These are always useful and I just love the print and the colors of these. The second set of clothes I got for my nephew is actually matching with my son, so I got him the same thing in his size, and I think this is so cute. Having them match is going to be the cutest thing ever. Next up, I have toddlers and young children, so I would recommend getting a coloring book. So I was able to find this Eid al-Fitr themed coloring book from Amazon, and I also got coloring pencils, and I got these from Shein actually, and I love that they're themed. This one is Dream Space. This is going to go to a little boy, and this one is Unicorn and Elements theme, and this is going to a little girl. I think these are so cute. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek of the inside. This is what it looks like. I think it's so cute and so fun. They're gonna love this. I'll link down below where I got these items off of Shein and Amazon. I think this is such a fun activity for the kids to do, and they're gonna have so much fun, and it's also themed, which I love. Alright you guys, so next up we have older kids. I'm going to be giving them Thesby sets. I'll show you guys one up close. So here is one up close. You can see that they're all themed by color. So this one is a purple one for a little girl that loves purple. So inside we've got a Thesby as well as an electronic Thesby, so I love that. I'm so glad that I was able to kind of customize the gift by color. Here is a close-up of another Thesby. I think they're so cute and perfect for kids. Alright, next up I have the women in my life, and I'm going to be gifting them hijabs as well as lipstick or lip products and some chocolate. This is like a beautiful deep burgundy, and then we have here a beautiful deep taupe, and this is like a beautiful mink. These two are very similar. I would say this one's just a little bit deeper. And then we have this beautiful warm beige shade. I absolutely love it. So these are the hijabs. The women in my life absolutely love lipsticks, so I can't go wrong with these. And then my sister actually loves lip balms, so I decided to give her a lip balm set. These are the shades I picked. I'm obviously not going to swatch them because they're gifts, but I got Me, Myself, and I, Do Not Disturb, and Spicy. All of them are like a range of deep reds, and I think they're going to be absolutely beautiful. And just to top off the gifts, I want to add in a nice pack of Ferrero Rocher chocolate. And for the men in my life, I decided to get them a tar. These are by the brand Dukni, I believe is how you pronounce it. I got these off of Amazon. I'll link them down below as well as their website. I saw really good reviews online, so I am hopeful that these are going to be loved by the men that I'm going to gift these to. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's Eid gifts video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. I really hope you found this video useful. I'm really excited to be giving these gifts out to my family this year. I really hope they like them. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!